So for days he was getting random text messages saying that the baby mother is about to put out a hit on both him and myself, but he was ignoring it because he felt like she was the one sending him the messages for attention, because also there was rumors going around that the kid was not his, and when he asked her for a DNA test she stopped coming around for days. um I didn't think it was a joke, and I took it seriously because I know people can be vindictive, but he was that no, she was the one doing it, trying to get my attention. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Based on the title below, you guys already know it's tea time, right? I didn't really plan to do this story time today, so I'm not really have no popcorn phone now. So get around, drink on water, and cock on the ears. So this story time was probably about maybe 14 years ago, if not more. I don't remember exactly, so don't quote me, but it's been a while. So anyways, let's just jump right into it. I hate long story time because I know nobody wants to sit down and waste time. Y'all want to get into the meat of the matter. So like I said, this was about probably 14 years ago. I was living with my boyfriend at this time. Probably at that time we were in a relationship for about maybe 5-6 years at that time. Long story short, girl find out boy a cheat, boy not stop cheat, so girl decides to she go cheat back. That's how I was. Me not care, nobody can judge me. If you come to me, I go block your argument done. Boy a cheat, girl decides the girl I go cheat back. So anyways, I had a friend at the time. My best friend at the time was living in this apartment complex, and there was a guy living next door to her who had a crush on me for the longest while, and he knew me. We were kind of friends somewhat because I used to be at my friend's apartment almost every single day, or she would be at my house. During that time, like we were. Anyway, you see she, you see me. If I'm not there at her house, she there at my house. So that's how I got to know the guy. I'm so nervous about that story time here. I'm just opening a little bit the important details. This is my second time uploading this story time in about a year and a half now, because the last time I felt like I left out important details. So may I attempt the story again. Anyway, so like I said, me, she, and the boy become friends because I'm always around her, and he lived next door to her in the same complex. Boy did always like me. I'm not pay boy no mind because I live with my man. Boy, I've been baby mother used to go and come, but shit a go on my yard. No attempt now make my yard to fix the situation. To me is like, would my yard just not care, so I just never care either. I'ma just start doing my thing too. Anyways, now fast forward again. I start dating the guy. Mind you, this time the baby mother used to come around sometime too. Sometime you over my friend, the baby mother over the yard, the baby mother gonna fear yard, me over the yard, me gone, she come back. The baby mother not have a clue what go on. And I'm just being straight with y'all. So like I said, don't come to me, because if you don't come to me, I come back for no. Don't think that you don't see me in my glasses, me a nerd or me decent, me Anglo no. Anyways, so that's what was happening, and basically what was supposed to probably be just fun for, what's wrong with me today, what was probably supposed to be just fun turned out in a full-blown relationship. Not because I wanted it that way, because that was nothing I was interested in at all. But when I tried to kind of like cut off the situation at a certain point, dude decide no, that's not how it ever go. Jaim, where you are? Why is my son in the background listening to the story time? Where you are, Jaim? So anyways, yaga left. So anyways, guys, when me decide say me I cut off the link, dude, I say no, and then it start become a complicated situation, and at this point shit still got make me nervous. Yeah, go on, so we can tell me story, please. So when me realize now say this a turn into a full-blown relationship, because dude a put in him all emotions and everything into it. Dude a plan whole life when that was never the plan. Dude a run with the baby mother because him so into me, even though me I say it's not what you think it is. When I left my yard, I know who my yard not go left, even though them a do what them a do. So me not plan to left my yard either. I just know say me have to get my lit back. Anyways, him now start get the baby mother attitude, run with the baby mother yada yada yada, so she kind of start pick up on things and realize there's something alright. She now must also go in her phone and see text messages with me and him. So she start put 2 and 2 together and make 4 and realize say yeah, link can make what can go. So she knows some one day and page me and I said no girl, maybe father friend, maybe father good friend. Yeah. Anyways, like I said, my intention was not to mess up anybody happy home, even though it wasn't a happy home, because first of all there was allegations that the child was not even his, and every time I attempt to get a DNA from her, girl disappear, she don't want to give the DNA, the child looked nothing like him. It was a whole mix up. But because she needed help with the kid, she wasn't working and he wasn't in a better situation, he used to help her out regardless. And me used to tell him say don't stop the fear, because I mean the kid is innocent and the child need help. You did there with her. I mean, you know what happened, I care, because I'm a counselor, I'm never come for in a relationship, but just come for have fun and go where me I go. And before I know it, she turned left. Anyways, long story short again, him cut off the girl completely because every day them argue. She has things in her phone. Him a request DNA, she not give him. She want bear money from him. To me, she kind of play him, but it was not my business to really say, oh, left her or this or do that. I never one day encouraged him for any relationship. He took it upon himself to get rid of the girl because he felt like he was all into me and oh, the girl I play him and know him feel like him have a reason for fully get rid of her. Which I was encouraging him not to, because me know say me not come for see, and I realized that him start to accept for me more than what I expected it to be. Massa. Anyways, him run with the girl till I said she know for come back. One big excitement creating at the yard one day. Girl shame. Me I try, broke up the argument. Me and my friend were there, all police come, all kind of things. But take taxi and go my yard because the drama was just too much. So me go home. Go home, never go back when there for a couple of days. My friend did come on my yard himself instead of me I come up here yard. Not the guy, my best friend who said also living at the apartment. He might text me down every single day. I say if me not come back, he might text my man. Because him didn't know the person me I talk to. Also, him used to like try to do them little things like for blackmail. For like to get me to come out of the yard. Also, sometimes when me never want to come. Can't blame him because I big up put myself in a foul shit. Anyways, long story short, again, few days pass. I start go back to the yard again. So one day me, him and my friend in the yard, and he show me phone and I tell me say he's been getting random text messages from different phone number. I said the baby mother plan to put out a hit from both him and me. He might take it as joke and I say him know she do it to get back him attention because the girl did crazy over him and whatever the case may be, and whatever, I guess that was her little family, even though she still now want producing the DNA test. Me not care about that. He might get all these messages. I said to be careful because this is what's gonna happen on this particular day, and who I come from, who never come, and it legit I got happen now, whatever. Him take it for a joke. Me never take it for a joke. But at the same time, in reality, I still never think say like it really I got play out, if you know what I mean. Like even to this day, every time I think about it, I say I can't believe that really happened. At the time, I think my son was probably about 3 or 4 at the time, I believe. I don't think him did not older than that. As the day goes by, we are getting nervous. Everybody watch them back because messenger come in, phone call come in, all kind of try to make all kind of weird things happen.
Weird things happen, I come here, man. She didn't know. She didn't hide.
Jaim, I don't think you have to hear that story time, yeah?
She tell me 30. I know the story. I know the story. She tell me the story. Me know the story. I know the whole story. Start to finish.
Him not done. Him not rest.
Know the whole story.
Alright, I want to tell them the story. Them don't know it.
Know the whole story.
Go be now. Look like that I go do. So anyways, guys, one day now, I wake up one morning and he text me and I say if I not come around there, he make breakfast, yada. So I text my friend and say to her, say, what she cook today for dinner and stuff like that. Because we used to cook for one another too. All of these things. Me never work, girl, it kill this girl, not have nothing to do. And like I say, me used to do my friend or my friend there, me over female or him over my friend with me or whatever the case may be. We were like that close at the time. At this time, like I said, guys, what was supposed to be fun turned out to be almost 1 year worth of side relationship, like I say. I cut out certain parts not to make it too long, but at this point the relationship I go about 1 year. Anyways, the morning I woke up the morning and I was feeling very down. I just feel heavy, like something not right, and something in my mind was telling me not to leave my house. But he might text me down, my friend text me down, and I say, alright, I go around there. But it's like every attempt when I make to get up and go around there, something stop me or I just not feel like it. It took me about 3 hours to get ready and really decide to go around there. Maybe it was a sign that I never did for go. Other day I did for lose my life. So anyways, I finally get ready, call a cab, go around the yard. When I go around the yard, my friend tell me say she go down to town to buy some stuff because she did have one little business where she make like peanut cake, grater cake and stuff like that and deliver to supermarkets and stuff like that. She was doing it for years. She had a good business. So she tell me say she go buy a pair of stuff, she go down to town. If me a come, me say no, because me decide to go spend the day over the boy apartment. Anyways, over the boy apartment and we did there eat breakfast. I'm tell her say him gonna make breakfast and whatever, and we did there chill and thing. Me I tell him say I want to go up the road upon my ears want wholesale to buy cream, come I want cream my ear, like what you call it, little kid cream, because me used to cream my ear sometime or whatever the case may be. I want to go up there to buy patty. But doesn't want to go buy one kid cream, I want to buy one patty. So me I tell him same before I go up the road, but it's a good look walk. In my cousin I say sun hot, before wait till later when I want to do that for now, and if me not just eat. But really and truly me did want to get the cream for cream my ear and get that out of the way. My friend gone town, she text me and tell me say she not dead there. So she just let me know say she not dead and she soon come back or whatever. Come remember me tell her say the woman tell me if I come with her, I say me now go come I want to go over man yard. My friend gone to town and we over there bill and thing. Me I texted upon the boy, I tell him say to come, make we go buy the cream and come back. Him a cuss because the sun a pelt the day, you know. And it's like, boy, I tell it, come like this was the next time again, not for go nowhere. Because me a cuss the boy start cuss because him not want to go nowhere, and me a force the boy to come go walk way up road for go buy cream to put in my ear. Long story short, the boy get up, get dressed, we start walk go up the road. We go up the road, we go buy the cream, we go buy the patty, and I walk and come back down. When we are walk and come back down on the block now, I say 2 man. So we are come down upon the block and them are come towards we. Them not the middle road and we are walk and come approach them. 2 man. One with one towel throw over him head and the other one have on like a hoodie thing. And then the closer we get, one of them take out film phone and them dip on the phone. When we almost reach like 1 step closer to them now, me hear when the boy say, I them this. I must them this. Like also when them talks up on the phone, I tell them how we look or whatever the case may be. Man put the phone in my pocket. Me start get nervous now and me I watch what go on. Him not pay attention. We just walk around them because them in the middle see we come and don't even move. So we walk around them and continue to walk. But even though me and him continue to walk and attack, me keep on a look back because something in my head just tell me say something never right. Papa Jesus. The third look back. My only see one time the boy run off. One of the boys pull up one time waist and start and run off, and the next boy run back at him. The way all me frightened and nervous, me turn to the boy and I say, run them a come, but me stand up and look. Fool ya? Me stand up and look, but tell the boy say him for run. And then it's like, but at this point they were a little distance away from us because they never run after we same time when we pass them. But I never because I keep on and look back on them also, them, I don't know them, I don't know if something trigger off for them head, or them I say, alright, them at the right moment this, because also at the time, nobody else was walking on the road at that particular couple minutes so we are walk and go down. Them I say, alright, at the right time, now if you take them 3 points or whatever the case may be. So them start run with, me tell the boy them for run, something clicking on my head long after the fuck and me start run now too. Me fling with the cream, me fling with the patty, me kick off my slippers, me piss up myself while me a run. Cause the boy literally have the gun name and then I run with them. All me I say before in front of me and my life a flash and my 3-year-old pick when me I got dead left. For man, because I decide the boy fuck by me and me I got fuck back. Mighty God, the boy run gone, jump over fence gone, left me run go in at the yard now, which is the yard of the apartment in because there were several apartments in the yard. My hairdresser at the time also lived in the yard and she was doing somebody's hair and her grill was open. She was on the veranda. Me run straight in her house, run past she and the woman who she do her ear straight in her house, straight in her room and straight under her bed. Remember by this time now she run lock for her grill. She don't know what at me now, but I guess she figure out say something right. Cause me I run and a ball out murder boy, piss up and shit. I took some little shit, took some shit come out of my body, piss up shit up, frightened, nervous, everything. Me don't know how me drop down dead. At this time, one of the boy them I run down the other boy cause him jump over somebody wall and gone, and the next boy still a run down me. Me I'll drop, get up back, chip up and still a run, piss up shit up. Run under the woman bed, she get nervous and lock for her grill. By the time she lock for her grill, she see when the boy run around the yard and jump back over one next fence and gone. At this point, I guess them still after the next after the boy. But me hear say at that point he must have run at somebody else to where him did say old man and saw the boy them must have turn back. I must say I think one shot them say must fire after him or whatever the case may be. I remember the whole of the part they go so I not tell no lie. So anyway, people in the area hear the commotion and call police. Police come. Me under the bed for a couple of minutes. By the time I hear police out there knock and straight down the woman grill, the woman pull the grill, let them me under the bed still not come out, although me hear the police out the door. The policeman have to lay down flat pan him belly, come and go and look under the bed and I say, Miss, you can come out now with there, you see if you're okay, me now come out. But I say the girl now come from under the bed, the way the girl scared, nervous and traumatized, the girl now come out, the policeman have to lift up the bed and take me out from under the bed and I say, Miss, you can come out now, you're safe. Piss up, rank, dirty nose knot and bogo. The policeman, you know the policeman look at me and say, the policeman say, young miss, these men never want to kill you. They wanted to kill the guy because you say I'll drop and trip up and get up back and run again. Them never want to kill you. Hurt me to my core, because I feel like the policeman never take my situation for a joke at this time. I feel like the police might take my situation for a joke at this time. Anyways, the policeman can tell me, so if you come to the station, come give report. Report who? Say what? Somebody there, my side man yard and the baby mother send man for me. And then my man got ear walk one. Anyways, while me under the bed, I call my man and tell him, say, oh man, come here the yard for rob the yard. And I run down that woman bed. And him for come for me because I don't know if he got ear walk one time, no people in the area. So quick and fast, me make up a story. So my man come for me, you know. My man drive him car and come for me. Left work come for me, you know. Piss up and shit will come from man. And the amount of the woman was going on my man car. The policeman I said, Miss, you're not coming to give us a report down by the station. I said, no, I don't wish to. At this point now them find the boy over Smaddy yard and must say he must say give film report and him go station with them. Me not gonna station. You know me nobody come kill me. Gone to my yard with my man and him I say, so what go on? So me I say, yeah, you know some man come to the yard to come rob the yard and them run with dung and run on that people bed and I call you because this is what happened and thing or whatever for days me there my yard open nobody no call my man tell him the true story what going, you know. Because I done it done this for me, you know. Girl, don't cheat back if I son not try hurt the man. Left the man cause something girl I nearly lose my life because I decided to say me I give my lick back, you know. Couldn't hear the sweet part yet. Weeks and days pass, girl not eat, girl not sleep. The boy I call me not answer, me say me done. Me I'll say, oh me got turn Christian. Me I say me not do this no more, me not do certain things no more. The boy I call me down. The boy move, the boy end up move and gone one next year and I call me for come look after me. Me say you must look after me for come look for me. Me say you mad. You mad, you could have moved God yonder, you could have moved God, you go under me now come.
Real.
This is too much signs for me for us to allow you. You know say about a month pass and it's like the boy traumatized, stressed out, afraid for go road. Cause the girl must send him message and tell him say no donate and I gonna make them kill him for true and rate. And at this point, people that assume say maybe I'm not she, but now we are saying no man I must she because of the things about that happened before. Plus she still a aunt the boy because the boy move and now she don't know where him there, she don't know nothing and it's like the girl insists that she have to get rid of this boy, yeah. So he used to call me every day on the phone and I cry and I say I'm stressed because him can't live his life and him afraid to go to the road and I know what else to do and I'm gonna kill himself this and that and that and that. I said that I have nothing to do with me, I'm not business with you nor she, I'm not come back a year, yeah, I'm not business with you move, go, I'm not care what go on with you know. After a while now.
Left the boy, make him dead. It's no business no more.
You're not arrest.
That's why for loyal.
You're not arrest. My loyal to people are loyal to me. So anyways now guys, we're not paying him the man now. So anyways now guys, about a month or two past, and I feel sorry for the boy. I know stress mag and I only done mag already. The boy look like him weigh about 90 pounds. I take it up on myself and decide to alright then I go look for the boy. Because I feel sorry for the boy. It was not no more than that though. I just say alright, I go look for him, see if him alright, check up on him or whatever the case may be. So one day I get up and get ready to take one taxi and go over there, go look for him where I stay now and thing or whatever. When I go over there, the woman tell me say all hospital and have to carry him go one at a time because I look like him I get mad and all these things. I don't know, I cry. I feel sorry for the boy. I'm easy for sorry for people. I just know say as it relates to me and you, it done. I'm sorry for you I go through master, but I can't help you, you not see me back. The woman asked me say if I can come look for him like a bit because him always talk about me and him really like me and when him talk to me him feel better and this and that. So I say yeah, okay, whatever, Anyway, so I spend the day with him and thing or whatever. I cook the day, we did a reason watch movie, I talk to the lady and thing or whatever the case may be and whatever, and I left and go back on my yard. He might ask if me can stay longer. Stay longer where and do what? And do what? But that's time say me come back. Guys, as me reach my yard, I block and delete him and that was the end of the story. I'm sorry. But I just feel like it's so funny because now looking back at the situation, I feel like throughout the year and the way I talk to the person there, I get so many signs, you know. But I ignore all of the red flags. Because I feel like I be vindictive and I try to hurt back people who hurt me. But block and delete him and move out with my life, my love. And I'll try to call him up on different number and tell me say, oh, I'm going to call and text my boyfriend and tell him this and tell him that and tell him all the go. And I say, at this point, I make up my mind. I say, tell him anything you want to tell him, I still not come back. And him taunt me for months and days until eventually I just not hear back from him. And the rest was history. Done, my love, me nah look.
You know what that means?
Me not cat, me not have not.
She find it. Boy dead.
What?
Boy gone.
So anyways, guys.
That boy alive.
But still kind of left out some of the details, but not every single thing. Why you still don't behind every? But still kind of left out some of the details, but I'm going to the most important part because, like I said, I don't want to make it too long. I do have a follow-up as it relates to that guy, like years down the line. We'll never meet up again or anything like that, but we'll talk on social media and whatever. I say, yo, check on him, make sure say I'm good, make sure say me good, and that's about it. But me not look back, I feel like so God spare my life for a reason. Anyways, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're new or you like the content. You can also leave ideas of what you guys want to hear me talk about below in the comments as well. I mean, the regular people over here know that already. And whatever the case may be, I don't know why Jaime decided to antagonize me for my video today. But anyways, that was the story time. Like I said, I made this video already before, but I felt like I did left out a whole heap of details. I still feel like I left out some things, but I feel like I'm telling the most important part of them already. So, have a great day, guys. I'm going to get ready for the work. See you guys again in another story time or another video or whatever the case may be. I'm out.